Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our maths class. So, based on the four operations, we have completed addition and subtraction. And already I told you this week we are not going to go through by each and every exercises. The main headings we are going to see the explanation and we are going to work out the sums. Okay, ma? So, in that now we are seeing the main operations, that is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In that, addition and subtraction has been over. So today's class we are going to see about the multiplication and division. Okay ma, so shall we go? So see here what is the meaning of multiplication? That's only we are going to see here. Product, the other name for multiplication is called as the product. And what is the symbol for multiplication? It is into. The symbol is called as the into, and multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. So these things and all we have studied in the earlier classes itself, that is in 4th standard, 3rd standard and all. Now we are going to see how to multiply a number by a single digit and a 2-digit and a 3-digit multiplier. Okay, so the tables which we are going to use is called as the multiplier and the answer is called as the product. Okay, so for example, see here, if you are writing 25 into 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? You know that the ones place number will be multiplied first, isn't it? So 3 5s are 15. 15 means ones place number down and the tens place number in the carryover. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 75. Here which table is used? Third table, isn't it? So that is called as the multiplier. It is called as the multiplier and the answer is called as the product. Each and every number is named. Okay, so the answer is called as the product and the number we are going to multiply is called as the multiplicand. Multiplicand. C-A-N-D. Multiplicand. Okay, so the number is called as the multiplicand. 3 is called as the multiplier and the answer is called as the product. So today's class we are going to see how to multiply using a single digit multiplier, 2-digit multiplier and a 3-digit multiplier. So today's write today's date and write this also in your note. Okay, so shall we see the sums? Yes. The sum is multiply 2,50,761 by 3. So now we are going to solve the sum. So write it as solution. Now, so write the number. It is 250,761 into the multiplier is 3. Isn't it? So now the addition, subtraction and multiplication is done from the right side to the left side. So first you multiply. 3 1s are 3. 3 6 are 18. So you are having 2 digit here and after this also you are having a number. So you can't write the 18 as it is. So what you have to do? Write the place values above the number, the ones place number in the answers place and the tens place number in the carryover. Okay, next 3 7s are 21. So 20, you are getting the number 21. What you have to do? The carryover number. Carryover number should be written to this, to added to this 21, isn't it? So 21 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 21 after 22. The number is 22. Ones place number in the answers place, tens place number in the carryover. And then see here, any number multiplied to 0, you will get the answer 0. So 3 zeros are 0. Okay, so 0, you are having the carryover 2. So 0 plus 2, it is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. Next, 3 5s are 15. No carryover number. 15, ones place number 5. The tens place number is 1 in the carryover. Okay, now 3 2s are 6. So 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 6 after 7. Only 1 digit, so you can write it as it is. After this, any number is there? No. So that's the sum has been over. Now you take it and write the answer. Product is equal to 7,52,283. So while writing the answer, put the commas according to the periods. Okay, da? So that's the multiplication by single digit multiplier is over. Next we are going to see the 2-digit multiplier. So see here, the next sum it is multiply 1,34,259 by 23. So it is a 2-digit number, isn't it, ma? So write it as solution. That is the answer. And now write the number. It is 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 9 into 23. Write the numbers in order. Okay, now, so the multiplication will be done from the ones place, isn't it, Ram? So first what you are going to do means, take this 3 and multiply with all the numbers in the multiplicand. Okay, so first we will take 3 and multiply with all the numbers. So see here, 3 9s are 27, 2-digit number. So ones, tens. Ones place number 7 in the answers place and the tens place number in the carryover. Okay, now again with the 3 itself you have to multiply the next place. 3 5s are, it is 15. So 15 and 2 in the carryover, isn't it? So 15 after 16, 17. So the number is 17. Ones place number 7 and the tens place number in the carryover. Again with the 3 2s are, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 6 after 7. Only one digit. So you can write the digit as it is. Next, 3 4s are 12. 2-digit number. Because after this, we are having the number. So 3 4s are 12. Ones place number 2. And the tens place number 1 in the next carryover. Don't write the carryover in the same place, because this number multiplication has been over. Again we are not going to multiply the same number. Next, so 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 in the carryover. So 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 9 after 10, 2-digit. So 10. Ones place number 0 and the tens place number in the carryover. Okay, so now see here, 3 1s are 3. 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 3 after 4. So here the answer is 4. Okay, so now all the numbers in the multiplicand has been multiplied, isn't it? Now the ones number has been over. Now we are going to take the tens place number. So before taking the tens place number, the answers we are going to write it in the next line. So put a star in the ones place because the ones place has been over. We are going to start the tens place number. So again tens place number from the starting. Okay, so now see here. While you are writing the numbers here, use the pencil so that you can rub it off while you are multiplying using the second number. Now 2 9s are 18. So ones place number is 8 and the tens place number in the carryover. Okay, so now see here, next number 2 9s are 18 over. Next 2 5s are, it is 10. So 1 in the carryover. So 10 plus 1, it is 11. Ones place number and the tens place number in the carryover. Next 2 2s are 4. You are having 1 here. So 4 plus 1, it is 5. Only one digit. So you can write the answer as it is. Okay, ma? Next, so it is 2 4s are 8. Here no number carryover is there. So you can write that 8 as it is. 2 3s are 6 and then 2 1s are 2. Write the number separately. If you are not having any number here also, no problem. You write the number separately. Okay. Now, so both the numbers has been over. Now what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers. After adding only the final answer we will be able to get. Okay. So see here 7. Here no number is there. Write the number as it is. Next 7 8. So 8 bigger number in the mind. 7 in the fingers, 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you are getting 2 digit. So the ones place number 5 and the tens place number 1 in the carryover. Next, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. Now the next number is 5, 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers, 5 after, 6, 7. Here it is 0, 8. Any number added to 0, you will get the same number. So you will get same 8 as it is. Next here 6, 4. 6 in the mind, 4 in the fingers, 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 2 digits. So the ones place number 0 and the tens place number in the carryover. 2 plus 1, it is 3. After this any number is there? No, that's the answer has been over. Now you write the product. So product is equal to, it is 30,87,957 is the answer. Okay ma? So write it as the product. Now the final answer has been over. So this is the method of doing the multiplication. Multiplication without knowing the tables, it is not at all possible ma. So please thorough in the tables up to 10th table. Okay, so up to the first table to the 10th table, be thorough. Okay da? So that's the 2-digit multiplication has been over. See here the next topic we are going to see is division. The other name for division is quotient and the symbol used is divide symbol, and it is nothing but the repeated subtraction. Multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction, and this division also we are having the first in multiplication the first number is called as the multiplicand and the table we are using is called as the multiplier and the answer is called as the product. So likewise we are having the names in this division also. So see here, for example, if it is 16 divided by 2. Okay, so here the symbol for division is this. Put a bracket and a line. The number going to be divided should be written inside and the table should be written outside. Okay, so now when you are saying this 2 ones are 2. So I told you the number you are taking should be bigger than the divisor. So when you are taking 1, 1 is the smaller number. So we have to take 16. So see 16, 2 table, how many times it comes? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So how many times it comes? 8 times. 8 twos are 16. And then what you have to do? You have to subtract both the numbers. Both the numbers are 16. So the answer is 0. So here the 16, the number 16 is called as the dividend. The number which we are going to divide is called as the dividend. And the table we used is called as the divisor. You should know the names down, which number, where we are writing, what it is called as. And 8, the answer is 8. It is called as the quotient. And after subtracting, you are getting the answer, isn't it? That is called as the remainder. Okay. So, dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. These are the words used in this division. So, we are having 4 different numbers. The 4 different numbers are named according to this only. Okay. So, write this in your note. So, we will see here only single digit divisor, isn't it? Now, we will see how to divide using a 2-digit divisor. Okay, ma? So, write this neatly in your note also. See the sum here. Division by 2-digit divisor. The sum is 26,775 divided by 25. Okay. So now we are going to find the solution for this sum. So write it as solution and put the division symbol. Write the divisor, dividend inside the bracket 26,775 and the divisor is 25. Okay, so now here you are going to use the 25th table. Okay, everybody knows the 25th table, Ada? Compulsorily you don't know. So what you do means first you write the table in the rough column. So 25 ones are 25. You know multiplication, isn't it? So you multiply it. 5 twos are 10. So 0, 1. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Next 25 into 3. 3 fives are 15. 5, 1. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. Next 25 into 4. 5 fours are 20. So 2, 0. 4 twos are 8, 9, 10. Next it is 25 into 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. So first we will see up to 5. Okay, if you want the numbers, we can write the remaining also. Now see here, I told you the number we are going to divide should be greater than the divisor. Now see here, 2. So 2 is greater than 25. No. So what you have to do? Take it as 26. So 26 is greater, isn't it? Now see in the product side, 26 is there? No. So what you have to do? You have to see the nearest smallest number. So see here 25, after that 50. It is the biggest number. So the smallest number is 25. You have to write only the smallest number down because in division we will be subtracting. If this number is bigger, whether we will be able to subtract? No. Only the first number should be the bigger number and the second number should be the smaller number. That's why in division, if we are not having that number, we are taking the nearest smallest number, not the smallest number, to the number which is the nearest smallest number. That number we will be taking. So here the smallest number is 25, which comes one time. So first you write that 1 in the quotient place and then 125s are 25. Write it straightly. Now we are going to subtract. Now, so 5 to 6. 6 is the bigger number. So 5 after 6. One finger. So 1 and then bring the next number down. It is 17. So see here 17 is the smaller number or bigger number comparing to 25. It is the smaller number. So we are not able to divide this number. What we have to do? We have to bring the next number also in the same place. But if you are bringing the next number also in the same place, what happens is in the quotient place a change is happened. That is, you have to put a 0 in the quotient's place and then bring the number down. Okay, ma? So to make it is a bigger number, because if it is the bigger number only, it will come in this table. Okay, it will come, or we can take the nearest smallest number. So if the number is the smallest number, put a 0 in the quotient's place and then bring the next number. So it is 177. We have written up to only 125, isn't it? So we can continue it. It is 26 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 5 2s are 10. 11, 12, 13. And then 20. Sorry, it is 25 is into, sorry. 25 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. And then it is 25 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 25 into 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the next number, it is 25 into 9. 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The last number 25 into 10. So 0, 0, 25 ones are 25. Okay, now the table has been completed. Now we want the number 177. So see here 177 is there? No. So the nearest number is 175. How many times it comes? 7 times. So first you write the number 7 and then the number 175. Now we are going to subtract. 5 after 6, 7. The number is, we are having 2 fingers, 2. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now we will bring the next number here. It is 5. So the number is 25. So 25 comes one time in the same table. It is 25. So when you are subtracting, you will get the answer 0. So here the quotient is 1071. And the remainder, it is 0. Did you understand how to do the 2-digit division sums, da? So very simple, ra. The thing is only you have to write the tables correctly. The same thing for the 3-digit numbers also. So the 3-digit numbers also, what you have to do, you have to write the tables correctly and then you have to divide the sum. So shall we see the 3-digit numbers division? Yes. So see here, division by a 3-digit divisor. The sum is divide 53,978 by 122. Now we are going to solve this sum. So first write the symbol and write the number. It is 53,978 122. So shall we write the tables first? Yes. 122 into 1. So you will get the same number 122. Next 122 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 122 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 122 into 4. So from the ones place, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. 122 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 1 0. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 1 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. If you feel difficult to multiply like this, you can multiply in the rough column by this one number above and the one number below also you can put and multiply down. 5 2s are 10. So 10 means 1's place number 0, 10's place number 1 in the carryover. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So 1 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. So the answer is 610. The same number only I got it here. Okay. So if it which method you feel very easy, which is without mistakes, which method you will write, you use that method. Okay ma. Now see here, it is 122 into 6. So 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. So we will stop here. If we want, we can write the tables fully. Now, so we want to take the number bigger than the divisor. So see here 5, it is smaller. 53, it is also smaller. So we have to take 539. So we have to take 3-digit numbers. Now see here 539, 600, bigger number. So the nearest smallest number is 488, which comes 4 times. 4 times 488. Now we will do the subtraction. So 8 after 9. So here it is 1. Here 8, 3. 3 is the smallest number. So I am borrowing. 3 becomes 13 and then 5 becomes, the before number is 4. Now 8 to 13. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we are having 5 fingers. So 5. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now bring the next number down. So it is 517. Again 500. So see here 100, 200, 300, 400, 600. So here 600 came bigger number. So the same smallest number is 4 times 440. Sorry, 488. Now we are going to subtract the numbers. So 7, 8, smallest number. So what you have to do? you have to borrow. 7 becomes 17 and the 1 before number is 0. So 8 to 17. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many fingers are there? 9 fingers. So the answer is 9. Here 8 to 0. So 0 is the smallest number. Again I am borrowing from the nearest place. So 0 becomes 10 and then the 5 before number is 4. So 8 to 10. 8 after 9, 10. It is 2. Here both the numbers are same. So the answer is 0. Now bring the next number down. 8. So 298. Here 100, 200, 300. Bigger number. So the smallest number is 2 times. It is 244. 244. So when you are subtracting 4 to 8. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 is the answer. And here again 4 to 9. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we are getting 5 fingers, 5 answer. Both the numbers are same. The answer is 0. After this any number is there? No. So that's the sum has been over. So here the quotient is 442 and the remainder is 54. Okay ma? So very simple. The same method only the thing is you have to write the tables correctly. Up to the 10th table you should be thorough. If your thorough is up to 10th table, it will be easy for you to any numbers of divisors. Okay ma? So write this in your note neatly. Today's homework will be based on these sums only. So please understand the concept clearly and do the sums. Okay ma? Thank you. Bye.